Let's take a look at the conditional operator. This is basically the same thing as in if-else, but this is a lot cooler because it's only one line. So let's say for this example, I've made an int x and an int y, and we're going to use this line of code for this right here. Believe it or not, trust me, it is. Line 14 is the same exact code as line 16 to 20. Except it's all on one line. How would you read this? Well, essentially you would say if, remember the if is silent here. If x is less than y, then we are going to set y equal to 10. Otherwise, we're going to set y equal to 20. That's pretty much it. Same thing that's happening here. If x is less than 0, I think I said 10, I meant to say 0 here. If x is less than 0, then we set y equal to 10. Otherwise, y is 20. You can use the conditional operation to create short expressions that work like if-else statements. So the format is going to be like we have some expression, question mark, an expression, and then a colon, and then another expression. The very first expression is the one to be tested. If true, the second expression is going to be executed. Otherwise, the part after the colon will be executed. So if we come down here, and we have this printed out, int a is going to be equal to 10 if x is less than 0. Well, x is 5. It doesn't change anywhere else inside of our code, so this is going to be false, and that means a is going to be equal to 20. Let's say we have another example here. Int score is equal to 60. We have cout, your grade is, and then notice how we have this in parentheses right here. We can actually have this in a cout statement. Pretty cool. So if our score is greater than 50, we're going to print pass. Otherwise, we're going to print fail. And so if we were to run this, I'm pretty sure this is from a previous example. Oh, we have an error. Let's see. Int a is not used. So you know what? Let's actually use it. We'll do cout, and then we'll do a, and then we'll do end line. So let's try running this, and you'll see that a is going to print 20 because it's going to go into this else statement. So we print 20. And then the grade is going to be pass because score is greater than 60, so it executes this first part. Pretty cool, pretty short. That's going to be the conditional operator. If you have any questions on it, leave them in the comments below. If you want more C++, check out that playlist linked below the like button.